Here I have CAVION Base 5.0, and today I'm going to show you how to reset screen lock on this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't unlock your device. So what you can do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up for a couple of seconds like this. After the phone vibrates, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, and you will end up in this kind of menu. In this menu, use volume up to navigate and volume down to select, and you have to select the first option, recovery mode. In the following menu, here you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option wipe data factory reset and then confirm it by selecting yes. And after you see the message data wipe complete, you have to select first option reboot system now, and your device will be restarted in a couple of minutes after that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.